Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to disable Instagram Vanish mode. Vanish mode on Instagram is a Snapchat-like feature, then self-destruct message after the recipient has seen them. For instance, the messages sent in a chat are deleted automatically once the person has read them and the chat is closed. Hope you will understand how to disable this feature by watching the full video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Then click message icon. Click on the chat. Click this icon. Then turn off Vanish mode. Click back. You can see that Vanish mode is turned off. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.